Self-Heal, or Heal All. This is a plant that has a very, very interesting and long history. Its botanical name is Prunella vulgaris. Vulgaris is Latin for, pretty much it means for all of us. And we know why. This has a very exhaustive list of constituents and abilities for helping us with many ailments. It is in the mint family. No surprise. Many mints seem to be the absolute most incredible plants for us. Let's get in there on that flower. There we go. This is a plant that's native to Europe and Asia. And it's made its way right around the world in almost every country. In fact, many people on Pacific Islands consider this invasive. Although this is edible, there truly are very few traditional culinary uses for this plant. The leaves and the shoots, young shoots, can be consumed. You can just add those leaves into pretty much anything and everything. Now, here are some smaller ones, but that's only because this is an area that has been mowed. So I'm going to stay focused on the ones that have not been mowed. There we go. Now, as its vernacular name says, Heal All or Self-Heal, it does a lot. It's an anti-inflammatory, it's an antiviral, it's a lymphatic. It's good for cuts and abrasions. You make a poultice with the leaves as you would with plantain or plantain, whichever word you choose to say. You can make a tea with the leaves. It's good to gargle if you have a sore throat or a fever. You drink it as a tea. As a cool tea, you can use this as an eye wash in the event of having eye strain or conjunctivitis. Now, if you gather the flowers, which as you can see would be quite the chore to do, but it would be well worth it, you can use this to create either a skin serum, which the recipe is below, or you can make a salve. And this is absolutely amazing for your skin, particularly your face. It helps to protect you from the sun. It doesn't offer any SPF, but it does help with the oxidization process in halting it, or at the very least eliminating a great deal of it. This has been used to help with the treatment of herpes and HPV. Those leaves and flowers boast an incredible amount of vitamin B1, vitamin C, and vitamin K, as well as flavonoids. Heal All. Self-Heal. You know what I'm gathering this afternoon? Thank you for watching.